Hello children, welcome to today's class. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So children, today our topic is rounding off. At the end of this class, you will be able to know how to round off the number nearest 10, 100 and 1000 and what is the need to round off the number. So let us start with the today's class. So children, this is Mr. Sharma and this is his electricity bill. His electricity bill for the month of December is rupees 223 and the bill amount payable is 220 rupees. What is bill amount payable? Bill amount payable means that bill is 223 but he has to pay only 220 rupees. It means that the electricity company is losing out some money. How much money? The electricity company is losing out rupees 3. So why is the electricity company doing so? Why is he losing rupees 3? If he does so for every customer and for every month, it means that the electricity company will lose lot of money. So children, this is nothing but it is called rounding off the number. Well, what is rounding off? So children, rounding off means rounding off the number is a technique. It is a mathematical technique of adjusting the digit of the number to make the number easier to use during calculation. For example, this definition I will explain you through an example that if you have to add 49 with 52, means add 49 in 52, then you will need a page and a pen, a paper and a pen. But if you will round off the figure, the rupees 49, then 49 will become 50 as 49 is nearest to 50 and 52 is nearest to 50. So 52 round down and it will also become 50. So 49 becomes 50, 52 becomes 50. Then if you will add the round of the number, that is 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. Now you have seen how rounding off makes calculation easier. So children, this is the need to round off the number. Now what if the bill amount will be 229 rupees? Suppose the bill is 229 rupees. So will again the electricity company charge only 220 rupees? It means will the electricity company lose 9 rupees? So it will be a big loss for him, for the electricity company. So children, for this you need to understand how to round off the number. Here in this figure, it will not take 220 rupees, but as 229 is nearest to 230 rupees, so the electricity company will charge 230 rupees. How this become easy, I will show you in our next slide through an example. Let's see. Now children, this is the number line. As you can see on the screen, this is the number line starting from 220 to 230 and the number which is in between is 9 numbers, that is 221 to 229, lies in between 220 and 230. So how can, as you have seen, when the bill was 223 rupees, then the electricity company charged 220 rupees. Now what if the bill is 229? As you can see, the 229 amount is nearest to 230. So they will charge 230 rupees. How? Let's see. Suppose this number line is not in horizontal line. It is not a straight line. It is in pyramid, or you can say it is in triangular shape. Suppose, you have to suppose that. Now children, the number line, same number line which you have seen earlier, is in the shape of triangle and this is a toy car. So the toy car is on 223. So what if the toy car is on 223 and what will happen? Will it go upward or downward? So as you can see, the slope is this way, the slope is downward and nearest to 220. So the toy car will slip down and come to 220 rupees or 220 number. See, it will slide down and come to 220. Now children, what if the toy car will on 225? See, the toy car is on 225. So what will happen? Will it slope down or slope upward? Slip down or slip? What will happen? Let's see. Now children, if the toy car will on 225, it will slip down from front side and it will slip down to 230. Okay. Now next example, if the toy car will on 227, what will happen? Yes, of course, it will again slip down. It will not go upward. It will slip down and come to 230. Let's see. So children, you have seen from this example that if the toy car or if any number is on 224, 223, 222 or 221, it will always slip down and come to 220. And the number 225, 226, 227, 228, 229 will always come to 230. So it makes rounding off easier for you, that the same number line what you have seen earlier, that if the number is in between 224 to 221, it will always come to 220. And the number between 225 to 229 will always go to 230. Okay. Now let's see this with an example. So I have taken the 2-digit number, that is 74. Now what you have to do, you have to round off the number to the nearest 10. How to round off the number to the nearest 10? Children, first step is, let's see what is the first step for rounding off the number. The first step is to convert a number to the nearest 10, you have to look the digit on the ones place. You have to watch, before converting, you have to watch the digit which is on the ones place. So in this number, the digit which is on the ones place is 4. So you have to keep it in your mind that the digit on the ones place is 4. So 74, first of all, 74 lies in between 70 and 80. Okay, 74 lies in between 70 and 80. So will it round off in 70 or 80? Let's see. First step, the digit on the ones place is 4. Now second step, that the digit in the ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, if the digit on the ones place is 1, 2, 3 or 4, then you have to round down the number. Round down the number, आपको numbers को कम करना है. But the digit on the ones place will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you have to round up the number. Means if the digit on the ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4, means जो ones place पे digit है, if अगर वो 1, 2, 3 और 4 होगी तो आपको number को कम करना है, नीचे करना है, decrease करना है. If the digit on the ones place will be 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then you have to round up. Means आपको numbers को और increase करना है, बढ़ाना है, कम नहीं करना है. Okay. Let's see. So now you have seen that the digit on the ones place is 4. It means you have to round down the number. आपको कम करना है. So one more thing, that if you are rounding off in tens, then in 10 there are 1 0. If you have to round off the number nearest to 10, so there is 1 0. It means in your answer there should be 1 0. Means you have to convert the digit on the ones place in 0. Okay, and the digit which is on the tens place will remain same. Okay, again children, अगर आप round down कर रहे हैं तो जो digit tens place पे है that will remain same. But what if you are rounding up the number? Let's see. See, round down, round up. If you are rounding down, then the digit on the tens place will remain same. It means 7 will remain same and 4 will convert it into 0. So the answer will be 70. Now another example, I have taken here 3-digit number. So the first step is to watch the digit on the ones place. The digit on the ones place is 7. So as I have told you that the digit, if the digit on the ones place will 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, you have to round up the number. But there is another rule, let me tell you. So first of all, you have to convert 7 into 0. Then what else you have to do? The digit which is on the tens place, that is 3. Okay, so if you are converting the number in round up, अगर आप round up कर रहे हैं, okay, then what you have to do, you have to add 1 on the digit tens place. Again I am telling you कि जब आप राउंड अप कर रहे हैं, और यू कैन से जब डिजिट वंस प्लेस पे डिजिट 5, 6, 7 और 8 या 9 हो, तो आपको राउंड अप करना है. बट बिफोर राउंडिंग अप आपको क्या करना है, जो डिजिट वंस प्लेस पे है वहाँ पे आपको 1 ऐड करना है. सो यू हैव टू ऐड 1 इन 3. टेंस प्लेस पे 3 है, सो 3 + 1 इज़ 4. And the digit on the left side of tens place will remain same, that is 4. So the answer will be 440. Now what if the digit is the digit on the ones place is 5? अगर 5 होगा तो आपको क्या करना है? Well, again children, as I have told you, the digit on the ones place will be 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Then you have to round up the number. आपको राउंड अप करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्ट 5 इन 0. ओके, नेक्स्ट what you have to do, that the digit on the tens place will be increased by 1. टेंस प्लेस पे आपको 1 करना है, 1 ऐड करना है. ओके, बिकॉज इफ यू आर राउंडिंग अप द नंबर यू हैव टू ऐड 1 ऑन टेंस प्लेस. सो ऐड 1, 3 + 1 4, and the digit which is left side of tens place will remain same. Okay, there will be no effect, so 4 will become 4 only. So the answer will be 440. Now children, round off the number to the nearest 10. Now the number is 40. So children, what if the number is 40? I have told you about the number which is on the ones place will be 1 to 9. If the number will be 1 to 4, you have to round down, and if the number will be 5 to 9, you have to round up. But what if the digit on the ones place is 0? Then children, you don't have to do anything because it is already rounded off nearest to 10. So it will remain same and the answer will be 40 only. Now round off the number to the nearest 100. I have already shown you how to round off the number to the nearest 10. Now let's see how to round off the number nearest 100. Well, here the number lies 483 lies in between 480 and 490. Okay, so let's see how to round off this number. So step 1. So children, before rounding off, you have to what you have to do, you have to watch the digit on the tens place. If you are rounding off nearest to 10, you have to watch the digit on the ones place, and if you are rounding off the number to the nearest 100, you have to watch the digit which is on the tens place. Again I am repeating, आप जब टेंस में राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं तो आपको वंस प्लेस वाली डिजिट को वॉच करना है. इफ़ यू आर राउंडिंग ऑफ नियरेस्ट 100, देन आपको टेंस वाली डिजिट को लुक आउट करना है. नाउ द डिजिट ऑन द टेंस प्लेस इज 8. ओके, एंड एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, इफ़ द डिजिट विल बी 5 और ग्रेटर टू 5, अगर डिजिट 5 या 5 से बड़ी होगी, देन यू हैव टू ऐड 1 ऑन द 100 प्लेस. अगर आप 100 में राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं, राउंड ऑफ नियरेस्ट 100, देन यू हैव टू ऐड 1 ऑन 100 प्लेस. अगर आप टेंस में राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं तो आपको टेंस में ऐड 1 करना होगा, अगर आप 100 में राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं तो आपको 100 प्लेस पे 1 ऐड करना होगा. नाउ 4 + 1 is 5. Now as you, so in 100 there are 2 0. So children, it means that in our answer there should be 2 0. क्योंकि हम राउंड ऑफ नियरेस्ट 100 कर रहे हैं, सो हमारे आंसर में भी लास्ट में 2 0 आना चाहिए. So for converting 2 0 we have to convert last 2 digit, that is digit on the ones and tens place, we have to convert that also in 0. So the answer will be 500. Now another example where the digit on the tens place is less than 5. So now if the digit on the tens place is less than 5, then you no need to do anything, you don't need to add 1, just write the digit on the left side 6, then double 0, that is 600. One more example children, for the 4 digit number, again for rounding of nearest 100, for rounding of nearest 100 you have to look out the digit which is on the tens place, that is 5. Now if the digit is 5 or more than 5, you have to add 1 on the 100 place. So add 1 on the 100 place, and in 100 there are 2 0, it means from the last 2 digit you have to convert these 2 digit in 0. So convert these 2 digit in 0. Now 2 + 1 is 3, and the digit which is on the left side will remain same, so it will remain 6 only. The answer will be 6300. So children, at the end of this class, again I will revising it, that round off to the nearest 10, what you have to look out, you have to look out the digit which is on the ones place. जब आप राउंडिंग ऑफ टेंस में करते हैं तो आपको डिजिट वंस वाली पे ध्यान देना है, that if the digit is 4 or less than 4, then you have to round down, and if the digit 5 or more than 5, you have to round up, and you have to add 1 on the left place. Okay, so rounding off to the nearest 100, you have to look out the digit which is on the tens place. Well, from rounding off to the nearest 1000, you have to look out the digit which is on the 100 place, and the rest of the rule will remain same, that if the digit is 4 or smaller to 4, you have to round down, or if the digit is 5 or more than 5, then you have to round up. So I hope children this is clear to you how to round off the number and what is the need of rounding off the number. So children, that's all for today's class. Thank you and goodbye.